Larry Gonzales, and I want to talk to you about buying a home. What are the steps? Well, I got to tell you, nobody wakes up in the morning and says, I think it's a good day to go buy a mortgage. Nobody does that. But they do wake up and say, I'm going to go buy a house. You don't go on Zillow to look for a mortgage. You go to Zillow to look for a house. But guess what? Those steps are backwards. The first thing you need to do is get pre-approved. All right, once you've found the house that you want, and the seller, you make your offer, and the seller accepts your offer, all right, then you complete the official loan application. Your application is sent into processing, and the processor is going to collect all your documents and ensure the application is complete. All right, we're going to order the appraisal. All right, we order the appraisal from the VA. The lender doesn't pick the appraiser, the VA does. All right, the VA is going to pick the appraiser is going to do the appraisal. We're going to get a notice of value. All right, the notice of value basically is the VA's version of an appraisal review. It's going to state the value of the property and any conditions that need to be completed before the VA will guarantee the loan. And once the loan officer receives a notice of value, ensures the application is complete, he sends the loan to underwriting. And I know what you're thinking, what the hell's an underwriter? I didn't know what an underwriter was. I thought it was like in the Wizard of Oz, it was the wizard, he's behind the curtain, he's making the decisions. No, actually the underwriter is a human being. All right, the human being looks at everything that was in the pre-approval, looks at all the documentation, and determines whether or not the loan is going to get final loan approval. All right, once we get final loan approval from the underwriter, all right, we can schedule closing. Now, in Hawaii, it's a little different. I know when I bought my home in Virginia, all right, I signed and got the keys same day. In Hawaii, it's a 4-day process. Long process, but the bottom line is you get the keys. It's just a 4-day process. How long does a process take? Well, with some lenders, it may take 60 days. But with a lender who is knowledgeable on the VA home loan product, 30 days is pretty much the norm. And many times we can do the loan in less than 30 days. But it takes communication and it takes effort on both the buyer and on the lender to make sure that everything is done in a timely and efficient manner.